Hello, we're happy to see you. If you're here today, it's probably because you're looking for a solution to simplify or enhance your IT monitoring processes. You're an administrator, an IT operations manager, or you provide managed services to businesses. You likely already have a solution that took weeks or even months to implement. You don't have to change everything. You can enhance your offering and integrate new clients or sites incredibly quickly. In an IT environment, real-time visibility is essential. MonitorPack changes the rules and reduces implementation costs. No more deployments, no more agents, no more project management. The solution is here now. MonitorPack offers you this visibility. Agent-free, simple and straightforward, in minutes. Installation is fast. You monitor key metrics, your routers, services, domain, CPU, disks, applications, latency, Windows events, performance counters, and SNMP traps. Your tickets are automatically created in all the world's most popular help desk solutions. MonitorPack, for example, is a Zoho Desk partner, and alerts are sent directly by email. MonitorPack is a reliable product developed with Microsoft APIs and integrated with the security of the Windows ecosystem. As Microsoft ISV partner, MonitorPack's development has evolved with each new Windows version. A powerful, easy-to-use solution with a free version to get you started. So go to monitorpack.com, install it on a standard PC, and start simplifying your processes and reducing your production costs. Try it now. MonitorPack, simplicity without compromise.